African is ready to fight his own. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yo, mi ha per pola me da pana mi ha chuma popa cho do ways on mi va pa Ŋdi TV Ŋdi Wɔna pa kon je fa Tony McBoy enya ways do na mi va agba to ha me me da pana mi kata ba mi cha pa Ŋdi TV kata do ma ba TV ke ja cho abe ya pa TV ne anu popom ndi share ndi Tony McBoy nya ga mi aploga cho fifia ba sere ga o wana che goba que abale kinyone daina mi ona se dome nyare kare e ke nyacho aklo miaro kyo ke mi gazon rengo ya kona mukanye nyajuju tutio yo kele miapo unto mafia mi zona rengo ka kona kawenye hachi ajishongu le ya vala ba mlo kata jipla nyacho do gbala ganga tanyi janyo ji Tony McBoy ye nya blom que même chuma pouvait d'accorder na rich teachers ba auto yana do d'accorder pour la health clinic using everything ni ba je bele nya po huchichina me chanto ma so ta pa hamanola honorable Richmond Edem Boto su que mila chimfuga hostel le ho que nebe akpomia neba ho technical university atututu alawe neji jim fuga hostel kwa kakere bianchi. All right, que mia germia for motivational segment. Welcome back to the transmission. This is Ewenyigba TV's morning edition of shows, and Tony McBoy is your host. We go to the motivational segment. We'll do a motivational message. If it doesn't open, it's not your door. If it doesn't open, it's not your door. In life, there are doors that we can force open. There are doors that we can push open. There are doors that we can knock open. The Holy Scripture reminds us that we should knock and it shall be opened unto us. But there are doors that when we knock, they don't open. Most of these doors are relationship doors or relational doors. You don't force to stay in anyone's space. Nyapun bola ni pomina TV jaro kula populi de nyen so do manya ikeza menyele la gba pandiama. Enya bablomba na labo twai mo fuori tonyo botrojo. Maunya na menya ba ifo hoye wa vinami. Siaba mauna mi sama ba nya fuporo nya apu waro aka waro ani mi ola gra ha mu huna ke le nya kwa chima akpa ke mi nya punya matongi anye kachachiao pleto aje mi nya son ale ke nya chububuma ade mionto mi arutonchi miatso bubu ma ana miaŋtɔ miaɖo ke miakpɔe ɖe dzesi be ame tɔxewo mi nye ame vavawoe nye menye nanewo ko mienye le ame gbogboawo dome ame tɔxɛwoe nye le ya ta edze be miasrɔ̃ ale yi ke wokɔna asixɔxɔ kɔ dana ɖe miaŋtɔ mia ɖokuiwo dzi meganɔ ɖokuiwo tram ɖe amewo ŋuti o megasi ɖokuiwo ɖe ame aɖeke dzi o menye akpasese nye be nanɔ katsatsa aɖe me nanɔ hiã me nanɔ srɔ̃ɖeƒe aɖe nanɔ dɔwɔƒe aɖe nanɔ ha bɔbɔ aɖe me eyi ke me bubu lɔlɔ kple ɖetsɔ le me va fa aɖeke kpɔm o. So I think that's what I can say in my susu me gake miaŋtɔ lovɔ woagbo mi kata mi ale be mi kata mi nya le mia ɖokuiwo me ta nakpɔe ɖa nenemae mi dze miaƒe wɔna gɔme ma miasrɔ̃ ale yi ke womenɔ ame ɖokui tagba manɔ funyafunya wɔm ɖokui ame ɖokui trɔm tome atsi mavomavo sato madɔlɔ ya le abe nka ame aɖe metsia o ame aɖe melɔ̃ o ame aɖe metsɔ o ame aɖe metso ɖeke le me na o nɔ fi ke wodze be nanɔ na wo nu yi ke wodze be nawɔ ale be akpota na wo gbea. So that's how we start our transmission. If it doesn't open, it's not your door. If it doesn't open, it's not your door. Heaven Bola, Ashi Chacha Blue Mado, and Yagbaru. It down here where Nano Kachacha Baklemi, Ba Wuchuba, Lawashi, Chanyao. Miavo invativito, Yokalachin Fuga Hostela. Mikbanara, Amonchi, Novinonchi, Novinonchi, Peloto, Le Miape, Bubudoniam. Ne nyado shibare ani alo jashare chasako ehia be nano akama kple american club chugo ramata mi biana be mia ayomi alabe nyakpere mucho le wofe bubludonya o miao ni le jifuga hostel na gere miajia ni jana bagbasha bagba ko sube nyakperenchio le wofe ashi chacham le ashi bleto alo ho bleto kekiakeji ta yomi le kapolisio ke le tiviaji alo na yom na wona doji jono ajibe yakpere wona nchi alo wona kekata kaza 242670773 yena yo 0242670773 ye nayo alawe duona ase nko ke hobibli wona le jin ike amaro ochiami be mianye nyajojo kaka kware ke agere hobibli areme ke hobibli ankonye nyajojo kakala ekwe apa nyajojo kakala ike won tefe wa hobibli onye ne ejibi akpere nchi ma a ujila hobibli mama kana po star 9 to 8 star 779 hash star 9 to 8 star 779 hash alawe 1 CD in your vote deka na wo vote alawe nyabuji star 9 to 8 star 779 hash alo star 714 star 779 hash star 714 star 779 hash na kuivo ke obiaga makena kodamna kwa jeshenye VME 32 da na wo mako kado fiaba ekpe panchema be nyagra hu namla ni mako beton kuma nyanya ka choko blanche aka yo nyaba ucho mi ko dare tu aja ko mi ko dare ya mo ho machine biko ocho mi akonko acho akahacho ta mi black ba mi agaram nya tipo ta aten afo star 928 star 779 hash star 928 star 779 hash na frivo egadi agaba makena kodana mena kodana pe number allocation VME 32 VME 32 ta atem awuma acho akbarenshi. All right, mi agare nya jojo gbanu kecho ya pe nto ma fi agbo mi agare pe nya jojo gbanu kecho ya pe nto ma fi agbo akpede shiba ni bagbasha bubajamba Ewenyigba TV na ana afwa kinyenye afwa gbatudo globubu alo data re afwa panyawjia na akakatata na termianchiko ke ni kpeganshio alo nyafonko alo wonko na adi alakaraka gbata eshai mino blombe na nyagojo osam kwa nomba Michael Nyashia inyen nomba o echiamore kafla in domahi enyanko senfia no view alo no viara we kashnon guda alo view studio vi no vi alo menyanyare ekuchi echiana jako toya echiaka jako wazu to shishile kim to mo bemia ko nto aparo onya gbamimi ta roma hia enye nane ikenya njojo alo nya jojo ikena chokpere mianchi mi ko jo na wo kaba kunye ba na jajo do amura ka ko na ayomitsa alabe nyachunya akodare do aja yomitsa alabe nyacho enya akodare do ta mo hiana malaka ka gugbe evuao mia no vino via vuao mi shwale ke nyakbere nya de kon le nya de fo enyaunchi ala nya hadi nya pon konadi tv de karena jo Boyeingbaji ikapon ko plantapo nakakare ikakatame tv ma nkonya Boyeingbaji ta gbogbo ya duro gbogbo ya mi choto mi ta ni dia chodo akata gbogbo nyano nte mi akonyo ma imano pusogbo ni ap turu la long polo do moto ka won te fale gbogbo esiai ko atsona nya jojo ko runare miagbo mi kata mi jamba kwa shagba ne baro miagbo na makwa nya apunchunchi ta mi agaro howide.com news any nya jojo bana de ke chu nya ko Ewenyigba afia alaba antapom ta na bia khanya jojo ne ba khli from here ida howide.com news abana mi apni ha afuma ka takbele afle. All right, ke mia ida howide.com news Baumia demands action as floods threaten lives. Baumia demands action as floods threaten lives. Ta mikol du kokla hokoto poranto elefuma ke afom agwagwamba jiwa na dafo cha jiwa na dafo cha me trust le picha onchina Baumia demands action as floods threaten lives. Baumia Boglomba jiru na tashin unfofo Baumia tashin fofo albe orafo. Okay. Inye nyagbanto kelefuma. Okay, ke mia agakbo enyabubuare ke lefuma Justin Kodiono tatale bana o tade Mahama flood response under MPP fire. Mahama flood response under MPP fire. A joy kawai MPP to for banaji glada gana kata apuncho kepireko. Majiba banana no bale ko la ko ne plus one no motata na ajemi bana stretch. Mahama flood response under MPP fire. Mahama flood response under MPP fire. Justin Kujono tata yema lafuma ke boblomba majojina ya lo fonde MPP katang boblomba Mahama kum ya tako molen kuliko fumole chiamore ma ya ele ya mufuma ba chachang pleto awo le chan le jeje mo ya jeje ro no tena munchi gana gota ma chona sufi pleto da chama brata klasa do ko chola mu do jam pu ka vivara mu je ba cha jam pu asa donc ko ka cha bu ye mi apo ko pala ya mu ma ba chama manjuchi na yo da yo nyama lo la yo ne tu lo la da ne ya ko pala ka le ya mu ma ha do je bo pa didi atara munchi hafi da nyamo pleto yo ucho daro kwa na ilia na fu gania na jojo ikongo bana ikongo da shita fi chop daro do agbo mi gagarama. FBI most wanted Nigerian cyber fraudster arrested. Ajo le genwaya fiafiare da lo meriko buna za banyo fiafi fundi fiafi pan ton ik FBI brentapo ikanya America to kopo povito baple ikakata globo to povito to na do pare ik mika tampo to kata no na dashi dalo alo mono ole Nigeria viare ik fia fungi gawo ale gbe le kintome. So that's that. Accra floods, 38,809 people displaced, 7 missing. Muntaka, Accra floods, 38,809 people displaced, 7 missing. Muntaka. A chicken blam again for now, again, Toma Pena, Califia, Obognovifia, a Macba Blaton Woni, Alfani, a Shake, Wowe, o a Chide. All right. And I'm a woman. Andre bubum ama wa mandre bubum echotroma uroko jiba mo mi vivo puga ke gbanje mo na fia akarjin wa me kokwa usubara bubum amobu echira mo mo kwa shikula betota ni abanya joka kapa mjimi aroshi nomba yo nomba ya kulefia dokra nyama hena mo ni ke jojom le fia ni ba ngo jojom ale bo nya jojom mi ma takom na nya ngo bablam ale kele ke le nyonto me ponto ma fia ngare bablam. So that is that. Accra floods, 38,809 people displaced, 7 missing. Muntaka, Jirupa Dongaka Pana, Bovito, Amano Umeo, Jochido, the Gisrafo, the G, Jo, Gahodo, for now, Ulefia, Ufamagania. All right, Dr. Adam Sebefia, Agapumcho, Dr. Adam Sebefia, Chaman, Dome, Arawa, Elablu Dome. Constituency by constituency and whom namok a jaw a gacho nyare dare duagbo nya de vie ba wajembe anyanta polata nyatoni kireko Dr. Adam Sebefia hails Mahama Transport Revival Drive and ICE First Vice Chairman role. Dr. Adam Sebefia hails Mahama Transport Revival Drive and ICE First Chairman, Vice Chairman role. Dr. Adam Sebefia have to couple around the former to Alega, Basha, Bajam Persuba, Nyapa, Moses on ye Black Bobo, Nagaramagba, and me, a Modudu, Mokata, young Tapo woman to Copra, Joe, a Ghana for Christopher Sebefia to Copra, Camovaco, Blackbird, Modudu, but a more of and now abalike nyako to couple you know that young tapo manyak gari ke to couple ke party habe NBC ke lomagbe afi uchen to couple afi obazo to couple party manya banka organo jiji na party machiji no ka ke wa mkpu tapo ame yokunyeto ame ko ame ko so keta mama wo jibo no tade ne party alwa down nyeto nava chachami to nava ba party na wonte bara mata no chiaye abe jimano la prento banto na MPP NDC akata le Ghana kata globo tuta loka adam se befia ba no tatama le fuma que nyavun le Supreme Court rebuffs Trump birthright order. Supreme Court rebuffs Trump birthright order. Minya betu kopra na America. Duko nyamare ke wana kpanyele America chukbe tatu kome eva la America du koncha go tayo nyachi. Jevele betu kopra shi pantoko eko regbe mashame ke nye abo me via lu betatu kome via ke vala America. Ike jivi America via mama nya America vio. Avole America kwa wota sama o lira ni be mashame ke uchi le America pa imbaji kwa America vie anya America vie fofola cho Ghana Nigeria fofola cho Mexico na wonya jura America ko ase kenya wota sabo blombe ejebe na America via Donald Trump va kuno fara bacha tash le executive order ni berede tote to put berede ka tu koplo rena la seto yaro luci blombe enye America ne emenya America view ye neva shifi da America ba inbajia view mama to America kaka uto na makoere kuta von dropacho mero ore bebe Donald Trump go model amaje so berede manu sanwonye to corporate mongsa tepe ever berede akboflemo only that sama ba no jio America ko America vie ta chogbaje hena bono dropa atro bama ke Donald Trump de peta tu alo bon dropa kinya Supreme Court vota bon dropa tafokbo Trump uberma amashame kuji America ikechubeta du koma America here. So that's that Supreme Court rebuffs Trump's birthright order. Eyokata ole holiday.com news me kumbola opo dandre niti blackton ma hodon chicho piada na mtrova nya ansore ngo.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joel.
Oh, very much. Bà đã quên làm đồ cái tụi bụi, ta nhận too much traditory, một những worms bật killer.
Oh,
những mà vật phẩm, những mà ta thằng mặt thùng, mà nó chỉ có một lượng.
Dari nanti Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukone gbogbo ya wa. But hasbena didila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pati bani ko hi wontan nya nfura wa. Bola pati ko nya ko katara gbe.
Bo. Mano chiko ku no e plolo.
Vai batakalo sugo. Ita mi gada de secrement tonto. Bola pati ke wa busielo weto fira.
Wa yire vola to gbo. Ye no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no plum. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa toto wala toto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yira vola to. Ona una masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala kwakwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamlida gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa odashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
miayi Vola Heba Center Afima mia poto yola Nyadeba Vola Fifa low Akululi le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Achite padaka Ufuto makata Mele to wonyi dewa Etipa kolonoba Na ile Vola Heba Center Ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park Afima na poto yola Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukaume Wofukama tutu dokata Vola Heba Center Dr. Prosper Debeneva Akoto Come on Vola
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vi kple de fio mo.
No silence ever English dictionary. Ya tepe. But si dictionary akara ka zo afi de passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton standard and you know the view and you know the view can le basic level and you know American le SHS and you know American le university allo le language nenya make manya be view e be a strong be ha no silence ever English dictionary and you know ha am say make nenya be view mo jura po e be a strong be ha no silence ever English dictionary and you know mama na le din le go so ma den na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can I call the screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivaj Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivaj Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Yo nyapon kpolo mochu man ko pato akpa danami be mila kama klam le Ewenyigba TV Ŋdi Wɔna ji Tony McBoy ye nyapon akpa na mi katamba mi cha Ewenyigba TV ke nyano popon bawo chogbe ke Ŋdi Wɔna inye ajim ame nyapon ye nya Tony McBoy 0242670773 in your number nyateng acho ako ano kama kwapi 0242670773 in your number nyaza acho ano kama kwapi osube nyapon chocho kwato kata nova bonye emake alewe mahame wo kata na chocho na mimia na mi unko hiagba le fikana mianko assembly 0242670773 enya number yike na tem aza ke donc kujihabe mikbana ramon lo pasichanya ume mikbana ramon lo bubludodo panya nyokatame kuba paina be nyado nida ukata yaji le pati defia tan sinyonko lono pre magine nyopa gbogwana garmo la bla alaba na yomi alaba kwere mchako panuke ne jibania na ya mianao le asible to kakaji nabo pati le hole water chimfuga hostara share akamyanko sam le voter region alo amuganto pasha pamyanko sam le utinto me omyanko sam ha le Togo le ni Nigeria plato tenemyam yongo jaka ko ke unko kakare hikakatame ma ema kuno kia amomyak pom le Facebook atem ai de Facebook alawe na de ufwe umchuchu patamazusu reto asian alawe amoha na pedere sibe nya we wona ho baucho brand mi wona ho ma unkono ridi unkono dikodo be oha alama osa unkono dikodo be alama osa ta nana mai nyano wona womema ke donc kujiba nyapa Ŋdi Wɔna ya eya jiba serfifia chufifia wasare gawo pai kama mileni na jojo pa akbaji na pugania nya kumo nya jo nyao nya yo kanya nya jojo tucho yo ka chi amofam ngia ka mia biaba mikata mia agara kama alawe mia awona onyo yo nono tataro le nyo TV oji ni chifongo blende nyapa utoma afia echi mblam alawebe echi hanyarawo alakelekebebe le nyapa utoma ke assembly alo momafia ikapona ho municipality aji nyama dareto abe echoekebaya mwere kumle nyapa utoma nyama nyanya nyade ke ujebe mia akbora na oha mia kosamye echin blam labo ajibana na nyanya kabanto ajibana na nyanya kabanto alwe nya ana atwanasi unto atacho no matata ko ramya bale kana pomme TV ajima na funya la shoko to kunyebe na chilo rami alwe nyana adwa nasita achifon babla la hofa nya rawin yemo so flood waters submerge Hojo Aviefa Bridge project, and the photo credit is the municipal chief executive. Floodwater submerge Hojo Aviefa Bridge project. Residents and road users in the whole municipality have been advised to exercise extreme caution after the torrential flooding at the bridge currently under construction at Hojo Aviefa, temporarily affecting movement through the area. The municipal chief executive for Ho, Honorable Stephen Adom, announced the development in a public statement following inspections of the flooded construction site. And according to him, the intense downpour led to an excessive volume of rainwater inundating the bridge project, raising safety concerns for commuters. Following yesterday's heavy downpour, the bridge currently under construction at Hojo Aviefa was flooded due to the excessive volume of water. Tanya Kwame Notiga here in Badia Share Kachomia Ho Municipal Chief Executive Bo Nachachone to a milker Untumama Hojo Untumama bridge ye Katunji Ruala Bujakata Tombe Echi Akle Bridge Benfu Abachi Echiva Ko Rijanto Amomukumoto Krao Nachikai Gola Ayo hobide.com news Najima na right bola fumaka Stephen Adom iken municipal chief executive blogger amashame na la fori ntoma mani nonkomo amashame na la afori to sube afokubo bubarak magajo ato eya o ta eyokata onye nyajojo yokele nyabole nyaponto mafia ke nyapo Central Member of Parliament iha a donation alo na street lights of acho yikava iha nyanyare yika lemnya bafia the Member of Parliament for whole Central constituency na nano yoke nachikobe enye bakbarem yikowo. So we are not yet sure mimanyane MPs common fund zamo lalo ntokotokuma gazamo ulalo alo gaka duane siba never Member of Parliament ava won't take the Calvaro. So I'll read the story very briefly and we will look at some other things. Abaleke mi kpome na limoti yoja hiawe nia ano le kaum alawe nya ponchuchuna nya bovam ta 0242670773 enye number ike nyaza 0242670773 enye number ike nyatemaza wonto yakamnalede echifura mafuma alo kafla myomi atonyo fika milade mila balima alo mila toji nyajojo kase milade yo for the ukawa 0242670773 enya kapojesha 0242670773 enya kapojesha echia pamerede echifang babla alo no kala beta won jojo na kao semi nele mijibe nyakpere nyanchi alme nyase nyo ka jiga chonchon to katama kafla tafra chiji bo jandre nyai bloga me bona nyamblani nya makpo am beto view the view chichima ola abono chodore jaka chichocho monchi yo oku makpo le kaje viare de ntuvi chichwena elido do yesu afi amare kele pirara shi dobora albo lama mafabo mikpo maha mikpo amare bagbajembe yepo moto magachichimo hao magachichimo gwani bada shi moto nchi na bakpojida waola ni moto kasha ko bla moto rokomu echia kple echia he moto tople moto kata doji akodare agado garame ase fifia omokpo moto haro mikpo moha mikpo delito le sekel ulo kwa khojiji mo yo komo no na ntu bo bamle kasha ugero khoma kasha wo kwa gboya chi ko flipo balu lo katarme da yo fu ko ngo je cha fo flo ulo manana ma udopio to plato o ala sirika je plan pa va ina mikpo mo kata chi yo mare ba ko mo bwa kaka no via ikela magbe a chi ma yo ko mo da uchu jiga kongo yo gliachi to ma flow pero no va fama ayo katanya minyo ke o jim le nya ko to katama da aina bo e bloga nala mi po eche hawo ko jure ko tama mi po gberu gbegbe ike eche lo ko vaina o bola ikamu wore giara chuntuma mani ngavio mi po ma mi po amaro ko to ya chuchumo ta Ghana police service to ka o ka bono la karashilo magashi kancholo la karashilo mi po yo kata ta nkata pe na po nyake na se nkata pe na po nyake na se 0242670773 ya number ka na to ala to chota pa pli donc je vais TV yenye amenya radio jemelo ramata ajave na cho photo acho rupe ni blomneleji na cho photo alo picture acho rupe ni blomneleji but also donate to the UHAS community to enhance safety. The Member of Parliament for Whole Central Constituency, Honorable Edem Botosu, has donated 10 street lights to the University of Health and Allied Sciences, UHAS, and its surrounding communities as part of efforts to improve security and support development in the municipality. Announcing the donation, the lawmaker said adequate street lighting is essential as whole Central continues to grow and expand, stressing that well-lit communities contribute to safety, academic excellence, and overall development. I'll quote him, as whole Central continues to develop and expand, it is essential that our communities remain clear, safe, and visible both day and night, he stated. Sure, you would member of Parliament, Honorable Richmond Adam Kofi Potosu, and street light Kadis Sidiki, Jikari Omowo, you has a university, Sukuko Koikala, who Afia. So, we that Honorable Member of Parliament for the municipality. Alright, Mia Azorango, Balaro, Mia Bocho, Jiruagbo, Bemia Akaka, Nerduanakbo. So we have some press statements from the various agencies of government. Flat. Echifon Beglason, Yokunya Yokasam Yakum, to Nicho, Echo, Wasere Eba, and Amo Kukunza Alababa. Right, so we move to something from some of our ministries. Okay, Bamiat Boye, the Presidency Communications. Nyakbo Badashi Kamihocho Presidency Communications. Alright, dated Tuesday, June 30, 2026. Actually, Kavaya Michok Hogbanacho, Minister in charge of Presidency Communications, Felix Wachi Ofosu, Ikeganye MP, Chokbanama Director, President Muhammad directs immediate disbursement of 300 million Ghana Cedi flood relief and mitigation funds. President Muhammad directs immediate disbursement of 300 million Ghana Cedi flood relief and disbursement funds. President John Dramani Mahama has directed the Minister for Finance to release 300 million Ghana cedis from the contingency fund to finance urgent flood relief and mitigation efforts. The directive forms part of government's response to the flooding of parts of Accra and other communities in the southern sector of the country after hours of unusually heavy rainfall. But the 150 million out of the amount to finance urgent relief efforts to flood affected persons and communities in the southern sector of the country. Another 150 million will be spent on flood mitigation measures aimed at reducing incidents of flooding. The President has also directed the deployment of personnel of the Ghana Armed Forces and Ghana Police Service to work with NADMO and other security services in the rescue and relief operations currently underway across the city. The President earlier today undertook an aerial tour of the flooded areas to assess the full extent of the situation and announced a raft of steps being taken to safeguard residents to prevent further flooding. Agba kwa mi lakpira kwa nye gbana re ke du doma ga ke kwana du kopola fa nyangda ko dare du anja ba mi ma mi kle nya ju ka ko kata do na si ba du kopola re ba mak ga gbogbo re nye 300 million Ghana cedis na eva acho akpere amio ke fa agba ple kashno ngudon chi achi karame ni chowazucho bla agba itamin fungme over da 150 million in gapa mama fa akbara mokele to ugun chapo to plato ke 150 million ocho ya awro plus ba changara mawazon du kopolanto mi akuma chale ya o pole kanwano mblem ni choma vai ke agba ke choi ke vai ke wazuba ora gbagba mak Dr. Kasala to force and Minister of Finance na Rashid Gai ko kolari ikanya jiru pa gaya ikala kaviarem na afoku pataya of jojo for takpopo ta nyama ile bota na ronkuji ya bobo nya jojo vadongo obo MPP toba to koplo la ma forum ka ba ro ma bladamo yaka ni kwame me fia ni manyane ya fia ba ya me fia ba to koplo da fo alombu bwaro gai o je ba to koplo na we kama wo ikanya ba sasane MPP to so I'm not sure about that but me to ga nyama bona fo gai ta to koplo ya mare gbogbo na 300 million Ghana cedis nchoko para milk echidenchi kaka dongo la choma ke ba ya Justin Korea Frimpong yang no banare ikana ilia wichoga ko direct wabo pira kwa Justin Korea Frimpong ba jiro ma jagma kun jama jagwa kun la ba rhetoric salon boli son yeko over fufu abo amgbegblem pa nya jojora moji ta ni nyama mjoke ni lage chok ba vo kata to NDC to bakbaji MPP to bakbaji mi makugal we plus ba nyakte fanton tonto na tugo lakbare to kopla awe pan tepa to kopla wo toshima 0242670773 enya number kana ten acho ado susu agblocho nanchi to kopla pa for already manua manyega ehia alombu boro gahia kenen boro gahia di ega ora gbori mafia manye shinyare ke mafia we to popora man ko fumura lo manye atabu ko fumura ka achoro lo so these are some of the things we will be looking at in our conversation. All right ke nyama mleto ike le miagbo fia yenye nyajojo le kare ke yenye nani kama jimia kwa just a brief one. So from the Ministry of Health steps up response to flood-related public health risks. Press release: Ministry of Health steps up response to flood-related public health risks. So, number one, following the recent floods. Okay, but tanya ni jiru poto he kuna miapola masenya oji aforem bosube doyo ke panara monchi totone echi amorema magaban ba dokola mangwaru ke kakana makane echi amorema leka namadaru funami. Right, so following the recent floods that affected parts of Accra, the Minister of Health, Honorable Kwabena Minta Kando, has undertaken health assessments in affected areas, including Seko, via Pinel Plant Station, Achimota, Alo Boshi community, to evaluate conditions on the ground, facilitate rapid deployment of appropriate interventions, and intensify measures to prevent the outbreak of diseases. That bill get a second dome, the plant station, Chimota, Mamo, Kachara, Mola, Grasbay, Assam, Jim, Alias, and Walcom, but no, Yoka Donchima Prosper, and Africa. The minister has directed the Ghana Health Service to intensify disease surveillance, scale up risk communication, and strengthen community level interventions to all affected communities. And health workers have also been urged to deepen public education on preventive practices with support from the media, traditional religious authorities, and educational institutions. The minister will run with Kabanto, the Ghana Health Service, you want to reply on Masanya, you were no Garantoma, or Lankurana, or Tola, Rualo, Toramangoro, Bagbana Muchalo, Dolaro, Rutua, Kerr, or Yavanonji, Radio Tif Platoji, or no Kachachan, Hosa Habo Bo, Plato, Plamilcopon Foda, Alukba, Duruba, or at all West Across Bojan Pafianto across Uber, Nano Yokan, I can votata yo kana ba tolo ba pana remia to mane chi ramo laka mugajo. A coordinated engagement has also been convened involving the Ghana Health Service, the Ambulance Service, Faith-based Service Delivery Agencies, National Health Insurance Authority, and Ministry of Local Government to address critical water sanitation and hygiene concerns arising from the floods. The ministry further calls on all metropolitan municipal and district assemblies to collaborate closely with health authorities to enforce environmental sanitation measures and reduce public health risks. Food vendors are required to comply strictly with food hygiene standards. The public is advised to clear drains, remove stagnant water, and maintain clean surroundings. Residents are also urged to exercise caution as flooding may displace reptiles and other harmful animals into communities. The ministry assures the public that the situation is under control and that all necessary measures are being taken to safeguard public health. The ministry also remains committed to ensuring service delivery is sustained. All Ghanaians are encouraged to practice good hygiene, drink safe water, wash hands regularly with soap and water, eat well cooked food, and promptly report symptoms of illness to the nearest health facility. The public is further advised to rely only on verified information from official sources. All right, signed by Tony Goodman, spokesperson for the Ministry of Health. Eu tag ekrano tataro le fuma mikbo kwamina akando ple yonchimo vai ide untomo ekemi yofiam alugboshi pleto achimota neo plan fio ke ko chi blangule kwe ko fafia yi kala ba menyo ve nyalan kure nyal jonchi ba ani ba ngo ten adogo chu upe bobofo to ma pleto down fatogro pleto chikpokpro ngata tanu chaji pro kwabano chia manyo gota agbochi ngokata ochaka zuchi batata amagbeto hele chiama babajamada adulu chiama lo ya choipo kapla ivaru vura kava ro gomorum de kava ro afi aire boji reya ta toro jeja tan aba agara mutu agblan la buncha ta tawo nya fiambe mi nya rula na ndwa no hocho lankete helme bana hocho mi ndwa hanu renyi echi ha mekpo chi mi tono me makama chobo echi nya akatara fisha fiha ta afucha ta pang ko akwibe ya chore o awo echi ya ikamora ma echi pueblo nya echi fondo nya laba nwu kata uchaka afi hele chango yi ta bobo mi dan mi kloshini idung kana dole puchichara lo atora lo nchifiamara lo nana ikama mako komna me nya pa fotemo nya pa si munchio afiaro angome kabanto de mer konji alwe nya ana onya banyali jima tajiu do maga chikapa plejiu do hoike kona konji fomahe le osahabobo ble de nono do fofu nya juka fo kata bani kata nya dolo fifi amia wajo agbagao ni jirua kata nye plo ple jirua mashama kule kwa awana nome alwe nya kutana kuhia mia o pleto o docho nya kwa docho kanya hocho nya kwa echipame dede ple chipang bubble kwa nya toni mangbonya kwa basamene mahodo mo chuchu ya de alwe bedashe kavra na bacho amno kede mbana plaga bo makrova nyaida nyama chuchuchi bora
no silence ever English dictionary nya tepe but si dictionary aka azon afi e pasi ke no silence ever English dictionary standard ton ya standard ya enyo na de bio enyuna de vio kanu le basic level enyuna ame kanu le SHS enyuna ame kanu le university alo le language on na nya me ke manye gbegbe view e bi aso gbegbe kra ha no science ever English dictionary enyuna o ha amasia me ke nya vi mo jura po e bi aso gbegbe ha no science ever English dictionary enyu na wa mama na dile ko so ma de na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can call screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no science ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no science ever English dictionary enyu nto.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, keke do Boye. Hatanya too much ready toy. Boye worms, kple.
Oh.
The mother for fun. The mother too much to move. Come on, not to go. Oh,
That another Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to Pony for Boye. But the husband didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapan or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Furama. What a Passy Coco for Yahoko Catara.
Well, I'm not to go.
Vai, but I cannot sugo. In the big dad as a Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busielo, wait off here.
When you vola tobo, you man Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no pla na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nya to matoro ha wo za vola chika fufu jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Ma una yira vola to ona una masa
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afava dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa odashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola
Nina nemiayi, vola eva senta. Afima mia pota yola, nyadeba vola. Efi valo, akulori le fuda now, alele le fuda now, domaru le fuda now. Achite padaka, ufuto makata, mele to wonyi dewa. Eti maklo no ba, na ile vola eva senta. Ikele jengo applaud, Victoria Park. Afima na pota yola. Wotu akame, wakuto, wofukaume, wofukama tutu dokata. Vola heba senta, Dr. Prosper Debeneba. Come on. Vola.
Kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo wie vo.
Nane mano monsieur, eye na mezwale. De konakwanya moda. Menye de me fion yo, ayaye bomlo, ayaye bomlo. De konakwanya moda, menye de me chio, ayaye womlo, ayakwe womlo. Ameda evi Nutena holon ode Ameda evi Nutena holon ode Amemano amesie, eye na menzwale. Me fion yo, ayaye bomlo, ayaye bomlo. De konakwanya moda, menye de me chio, ayaye womlo, ayakwe womlo. Ameda evi Mejena holo ode Ameda evi Mejena holo ode
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yo, Mpolo, akpana mi ba miliklim la ba Ŋdi Wɔna ikeji mama. Tony Magboy enyea nyakplon. Wonku ba gba nya jojo gba lo wo ma lio ala ba. Echi famere dia. Te kware lio ba graphic road e kata onyo echi ama. Ta fuma ke nya jojo gba le ole. Kaka wado asylum down adabraka fumata chibran la fumo circle kaka wado Newtown ebwa no nya jojo wo o chona ko na Newtown na fuma ko we ko aba Lagos town bere Lagos town and fuma ye o print na nya jojo garele ta nya jojo kaka po yo ke wotan wonta fa oza fun ji kple mokokwe down your walk le nyagbo Africa Today le nyagbo ta nyakpon ka le Africa Today quickly. Suleiman Brahma and the Fourth Estate exposed over NLA KGL renegotiation. All right, over the Suleiman Brahma ble mfitiaro ko wo le loto danya o le Ghana le gbala. I think we menyama khonge abagbala le gba. Akufo-Addo government invested over 550 million in flood control projects Ahiyagba defense MPP's flood record. Ahiyagba ono tatalefia enyanyam dala ne MPP la Ghana kata glogoto ego glombe. Nana Addo-Dankwa Akufo-Addo fajiru azega 550 million gbegbe. So the afulele chipa merenchi la Ghana da yo wonte fe le gomam. Stop politicizing local floods. Central Tong MP warns detractors, pledges continued road funding amid flood crisis. Stop criticizing local floods. Central Tong MP warns detractors, pledges continued road funding amid flood crisis. Hotoje kanya Central Tong top member of parliament Adidoma top MP Pumba chifa madada lo chifa madada manye NDC MPP pa nyawo na chi amore ma bia na be party card kela shiwa fiaro chi na mo leadership NDC MPP pa nyawo wo cho chifa amadada nchi ka eji global jirugua edukukwa be itakbogana anya ka mo yo ka dum yo ha yo tagasha bagbaje ko wanga anu monche era chi da mo ko chi mo haram ha chi mo haden ta yema. All right, as MSME's Day 2026 MP highlights digital divide, urges action on mobile and social platforms, says MSMEs can boost revenue by 40%. All right, so Barak Bonyacho, SME Sinchi, Mi Bogara Pirako. I think I will read that because my Chiefs in Mefe push for dialogue with North Tongue DC over Akosombo Dam spillage flood victims. Okay, Chiefs in Mefe push for dialogue with North Tongue DC over Akosombo Dam spillage flood victims. Okay, upono watata le fia Kenya fia how upono watata ke de manyongwara pomo de mafuma. Alright, mafua nto be fia over yo jibe ononyi ple yawa amafaji do Kenya North Tongue top district executive alumo fia ba yo pun to Akosombo chi ko bu agbe ko ble chincho wara mo are iba yele fontoma ble leke jira takpom na nya amuke vocational mo agbe don nya mare leke. MP blames recent flooding on indiscriminate waste dumping and poor infrastructure. He blames flood engineering for worsening the flood crisis. All right, Member of Parliament came on. Kaswa Janto, my Member of Parliament, I should be thinking of Barocho of Yakacho, Hotutura, a more, but Blatom, Dodoma more Tunchi, Katala, my future more. All right, so, but let me just do something. Let me just do something quickly on MSME's Day 2026. MP highlights digital divides, urges action on mobile and social platforms. Just a quick one on that. I think Matthew Fendi on IG, Tony McBain, Yakloma, and Yajo Bale, Yagbo Kam, you come a left shashi, the Kanye Africa Today. Hey, make what I don't go in your holiday. Najojo Bano Kenya paper, Umo the chief Amadeta. So the Member of Parliament for Central Tongue constituency in the Volta region, Honorable Alexander Gabi Hotoje, has advocated for stronger digital inclusion and business formalization, noting that micro, small, and medium enterprises utilizing digital tools can see significant sales and revenue growth. Honorable Hotoje, who serves as chairman of the Parliamentary Select Committee on Trade, Industry and Tourism, noted that data shows that MSMEs leveraging digital tools experience up to 40% increase in revenue compared to traditional models. All right, okay, Mr. Gomazon. The Honorable Hotoje Kenya Central Tongue of MP Yema, you know, Tatama Lefuma Yakle, Kings for Sumana Bag, we work Lombe, Edgewe, Jidura na dafo alebe dokuishi asichapo asicha vivio noza modern donkyo le opo gbagbacha gbagba ke jemo le me le susube wa akpo ngogbe yelo pasicha nyame oro pejiwe amoyo keze modern kokpekpemre o pasicha chanwa wo fie kpomcho wa me o ke gbere fe asichacha mongo zamta yema na nyashichala modern donkuyo galifia ikla chodo bobo. All right, just a quick one. Chiefs in Mefe push for dialogue. Nakbogba la fwe eta toa nyara la fme ke gatume onto mafia. Chiefs in Mefe push for dialogue with North Tongue DC over Akosombo Dam spillage flood victims. Just a quick one, 2 paragraphs on that. The chiefs and queen mothers of the Mefe traditional area in the North Tongue district of the Volta region have called on the district chief executive of the North Tongue district, Madam Victoria Amefaji Yawado, and the National Disaster Management Organization to organize a town hall meeting addressing the chiefs and people during the Mefe annual Avenoto Festival, I beg your pardon, fundraising and mini deba on Saturday, June 27, 2026. The Manklalo of the area, Togbeko C. Nego the Sixth, made this demand on behalf of the traditional office holders. All right, that's that. We have so many stories there. Accra floods, Ghana Armed Forces launches Operation Boafo to safeguard lives, on and on and on. We have all these things here. All right, a quick one. Akufo-Addo government invested over 550 million Ghana citizen flood control projects. Ahiagba defends MPP's flood record. Okay, so the director of communication of the New Patriotic Party, Richard Ahiagba, has said that the Akufo-Addo administration invested more than 550 million Ghana citizen flood control projects aimed at addressing Accra's persistent flooding challenge, insisting that the current government inherited a pipeline of ongoing works and financing commitments. So that's that. So that's that. Stop politicizing local. Flood Central Tonga MP is also here. Just a quick one. The Member of Parliament for Central Tonga constituency in the Volta region, Honorable Alexander Kapi Hutoje, has reaffirmed funding for the reshaping of major roads within the Mafia-Di Tome Township after observing that heavy downpours were causing flooding in the area. He also advised against the politicization of recent severe localized floods, warning, and I quote him, "I wish to caution against the political exploitation of the ongoing flooding affecting various communities within the Central Tonga constituency." All right, so Hutoje Yema Ikenya Central Tonga Member of Parliament. Eboglombe yokwede shibe echinglamle Central Tonga tome adidome tome alegwegwe. Gaka meoke Nkiki Kobe NDC or MPP or MPP or NDC or Ma me miyaji dega Congo. Still in Africa today, Nyaji Mamleto Kerman Majiba Myak Bora Afi Mahodo Machuchu Dia Yenya MP blames recent flooding, no indiscriminate waste dumping and poor infrastructure. Okay. The Member of Parliament for Anya Soutom constituency in the Greater Accra region, Honorable Emmanuel Tobiko, has described Monday's heavy rainfall as a natural disaster, praying to the Almighty God to intervene and save the adversely affected residents. The Member of Parliament made the statement speaking to journalists during a visit to the residents affected by floodwaters after the heavy downpour on Monday, June 29, 2026. Accompanied by the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the MP visited the hardest hit areas, including Santa Maria, Soutom, and Aoshi. According to him, after visiting affected residents and communities within the constituency following the flood disaster on Monday, June 29, 2026, he realized causes were man-made. All right, Soutom, for Sotakbahame, Yela, Soutom, Anya Soutom for a Member of Parliament. Ikanya Emmanuel Tobiko Opum, Abayo Wacha, Yodanku, Myoka, Bagbala, Ikanya, Chifama, Humville, Yopantom, Anya, Soutum area Mao. Yokwede with Fioka, Bella Kuma, Myontom Yapahotura, Mama, no sound, chi, Yapo Baru or got down. It's man-made. The problems are man-made in the constituency. That's the Member of Parliament for that area. All right, Yapon Bola, Nyacho, Nyapre, Nyamajokbaya, Adare, Afia, Mahodum, Piarek, Namatrova, Nyamakopeka, Legbonya, Garaji, Alabe, Mia, Jona, Mamadakashi, Tibiamo, Magbona.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary akara zonfi di passé K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view enyona devio kanu le basic level enyona ame kanu le SHS enyona ame kanu le university alo le language on na nya me ke manye begbe fio e bi aso begbe kra ha no science ever English dictionary enyona o ha amasia me ke na nya vi mo jura po e bi aso begbe ha no science ever English dictionary enyo na wa mama na le tin le ko so ma de na kula atia place order le Amazon allo number can I call screen Nigeria opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no science ever English dictionary akwa conveno akpe no science ever English dictionary enyon to.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Teaches. Afienye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel but tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, baby, ma. If I don't quit them, go to Boye. I can't do my traditoy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
never for fun. Never got to my tomb. I'm not go.
that Ŋdi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tukone Boye wa. Basi hasbena dijila nuna mfia. Koko ina duna fa gara wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wonta nya nkura mu a. Bola pasi ko ko nya hoko katara ge.
Bo. Bueno, chico,
vai batakalo sugo. Ita bika dada fikramon tonto. Bola pati ke wa busielo weto fira.
Mayire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Nyapa to do wala to fita. Itanye za vola chika. Nyato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fofo jijila ama.
This Vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Ma una yura vola to. Ona una masa.
Vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu la hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local restaurant atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa Wadashina Ndogawi of Okana Vola le 0244 512 1450.
Vola, vola, vola. Nina nemiayi, vola basenta. Afima mia pota yola, nyateba, vola. If you follow, I probably le food now. I le food now. Don't do the food now. I cheat the padaka. Ufuto makata. Mele to one you do. Eti makolo ba. Na ile vola heba center. Ikele jengo applaud. Victoria Park. Afima na kodo. Wotu kame. Wa wofuto. Wofuka ome. Wofuka matutu dokada. Vola heba center. Dr. Prosper Debeneba. Akodo. Come on. Vola.
Kadung kwajiba vola pachika.
Kwa mi le Ewenyigba TV bo india le mi afa Ŋdi Wɔna of popoma comme si mi ajo nyama belke mone right now am pepper to le kakale bon el kam cho mi am je shi ho ye le bonnet egba honorable wisdom ba Ŋdi Wɔna for gonje yo abe ya le do nyama jo ona ogo ma jem akpa mawie ka mi abio nana mi omchuchu so ni o ka pon le to ya bala o ji ipo video wo e chi pa ma de le mo wo le mi on ta pon to ma fi abridge are ma bo omle mi pon to pare ja ko mu je chi ma blo ona yo akbe afa ma jago ma zaman poko ya ma do bene Ewenyigba TV bola kata be idisi andia oko pe mo da de Ewenyigba TV be yo asenya de to le nya fe de bene ya we le tochi e to bene mi ato NDC to kata from the MC MP play regional minister ya we le regional municipality that's ya kule constituency that's ya we le to yes maka 90 ni about there some project do hele constituency hele dynamic especially nyape emo nyawe emo ke de fiche ke chile jaja and then bridge do le there okay nyape MP be attention at least le nyape me ai kope ga ko mo ya aketu we be for the lobby na ana ben ya o de la wa to ma nyame kitore do ple nyape tibenu na efetu ne sipe mo ke de municipality au kato ta nya pepedo akpe nyape fala di sukia alo echipa melele ya abe mino popolo be espese apa eno eleji akeno wa no ko ado various government wa le lip service pin ya alo ko mile nu pochun we call it politics wa ake email video de ke bole mo and efe mention the way ke be ne he nyaujo ya me approach and more decisively ima kwa mereke fankumo ake me ano amofen kumekpo anamo benu donu jia enu ya odo mi apote enu ojo oponu gede surprisingly actually one TV station there for one NADMO officer there le Accra ebe was the NADMO as one manager there for about 10 years and then flood would go by and spend their research la obe Accra rival to me from the every mountains a plateau ta nyape togbi wa lo 4 bears wa o de susube okay e be dam do no anita o de dam about 7 or 10 dams do benefit je vala aba get the dams maume kemi anabe maka gba aida mo wa tomo ka ke steady ki o ba o la over the period amo o so dam ma o pete down to connect ma ana ke je decent ka eva the fede kemeli wa to agede damene alo to epomo ado tanu kaijo agba de ma gara mo ba feme ami no gbogbo be ke mi dams ma we de me ka we na permit ya fa mo o nya be dam we le fima o to ho de fima no fi abere the municipality de o me nya be dams we le fimi alona ne kele e fima ya o pa mi ka ka to ho wa o am ye to ho do me po ho wa that is the rate of lawlessness in the G. And I may have me trust, they know the position ya, they know make sure they know ya my jua. That also is still a book. Allo, Komudo to a jam. That will never energy. That whole need hold to hold, you go block more. At the end of the day, you are joking. Can I state hey, I'm a door all lawless. And you have state institutions where actually all the program you own no lawless. And why is it? This is a requirement several times. The flag job or donor, over what dredgy, or donor. You have presidents over the period, or donor, or to artistic expressions where you see okay, the Ufia, nowhere about recreational center, tourism center. A Galva for such projects where I'm going to government account for a gal corner the local or a double that I can't see. We have a sanitation ministry over the period in war because next more drinks or get it out. But for the trash, hello, and do a boy, I do over for check the I have go for check the park. We are not the there are some countries na ila echimaheto na be odona maheto anu ya pete ba ya some countries wela echimaheto gede accommodation be only benefit fine ozu recreational nuke we amowa no ji kwacha da akọ fi vinu di odeji anye recreational nuke de ya kimi aweto eke yako ya bazule na mi bazu ile headline globally the Accra. Accra reset even portray Ghana as a major tourism hub already, as in the tourists ever Airbnb apartment yawle. Naka unekeko ofuma obelusi ofite open credit card in the side they already want to be the impression. Impression can be sending out there. That for me, and so but this is the right time the government has to take decisive action. Has to take action on some of these things. For now, the period then are not for too long. Ever you take like to take action. The minister, but the minister will climate change. This period, in a major pop or in a world or major pop. Maybe I can wear that this is the time. Make a hearing. Nakaba set up committees where committee work about knowing our cover under recommendation where at the end of the day implementation of an issue. No, not here to hold a Timoja. No matter political affiliation, no whatever the issue is. You see, always he may very decisive for me. He may leave me at a comfort zone. Video, yeah, then he please I'm a door. He not develop. But the only way he may a developer and then he take decisive action. And the benefit is for the common good of Amesiame. Maybe just a small group of people. That is the only way development IG. Those other countries where they developed countries where they openly there's already no quota to Abeveton pay interest. No. But for the general population, okay. And you know where they like a help you work for them come. Ya for them. Kakene le pobe o nene wele maybe a chairman ke len keke in law ke len keke fa eke ya the same issue about the job. Keke ke jolo ni release a guy. Benoko provide relief support to people. He was that same money la. He could have used that same money. Ako dredge. Alo ako na kele nyape drinks wo gede alo bring no ide at least echi bona. And the other thing, many other institutions like the Metro, they at least make sure that they actually very proactive. Maybe only thing, but on an advanced look at all, even though the climate change, anything can happen. At least, and government are not to. But there are times in US you see what's the news over this hurricane, something is coming. It
it will be in the US this month. I know this day, la abado. So already, la all jajara daran, all expecting bela, and we are abado.
Yeah, mercy. Ho. Nye problem of ya we me to we jajaga bu. Ani ba mete chami go. Ogo yamana mi 3 weeks ago. Even Sunday, Oga Globe, jajaga. Ogo me taro website. Aka mwe ba nyaw mo gari into ele fia kra masa mito nyaw sha mi simi ya tia bre
the volume the body can you already now one say she government chanya this is the volume you may expect it for aka this is the volume you all expecting the
oh bro be jajaga ko ani ba matenchi ni go o ma gblebo
so actually maybe maybe probably near me doing next week.
Oh, missy. That the second lady. Never informed she that we are away of war for the adult pepetine. Echida mo le Canada. We have flooded cars. As everyone at the Echida mo le Vivian Chi, then I'm the US plateau. Over Wukata, not October, over we have flooded cars. So, I mean, some of these things, let's not be too.
Some of them, many as a result, grace war. No,
I say now is an argument or new argument on you. Many body, Jimet Mo Lako.
You will not see that waterway overblock if man to correct you. Maybe some of the flooding you are yes, at all job. Kakebe America to correct you much so a Jamaica common you. You have a bridge where they are not a chair full massive blocking. Your bridge or no, some of these things, yes, let's say maybe and you hear a pump flooded toilet now. And a couple of grains are no bola over got our bridge on no the and so some of them they are not about another they are compared and only about systems already like call running with oil. No, yes, flooded on Gakebe, some of them they me and Tommy avoid. Yeah, about no me and there. Yeah, this is over the very gatame, only any dam, yeah, hold the cheap. They excess looking valley, a damala, lecture that ya never feel to whatever. No, I say sorry from estate or job, but also the thing never for now. In a cow comparison, a cavanoia, the thing is the Africa, the thing is fashion. Then I'm the thought to hold a broker to pay more to have a government leg. Probably maybe I make it in a permit. Permit or Barabel. American no open don't you know. Allow me to the government cannot compensation. Fine. I tell you that I can tell the woman when you know. Yes, I know. Maybe hope buying back the bar, or investigation video, or Sunday video or research video about Ayibano. I'm back a day call a lolly. I can't make a total line back out of Luna Filecula and American on a computer. Example, the Ramsar site was built already. I'm going to Ramsar site, it's not for sale. Like what happens? I'm over flying back to home. Meanwhile, when to another to Mala, how? I came back to body. I hear back today, what happens? Hey, you don't know, this is a more story body coming down. It's because then woman you, I can level. But the government be Agbela, how do you empathize with that person? And Nicola, I think government just suggests though the best thing you can probably be decentralized most of the state institutions because I'm okay. Over to Accra, I'm say analyze there to hold Accra, and Accra is becoming choked. Hello, is the best neighborhood. You want to move some of them to other regions where I don't know to whether and those areas where I'm more about to correct my way around those states in UK. Then fine. That is the other alternative. Okay, for now, at least drains a wide medical away. And let me make sure that Hokital and water with our government and have a away. Because a chair allowed me I expect more. I think this morning the phone and more is to come. Let's over Ka come get it.
Jala.
Ka Eleja no Jala, fine. And also my aside, don't let me pull a crala. Yeah, no beautiful the Southern Hotel, all of the and then together mobile from a Twitter, I saw some videos. Ŋdi Wɔna is quite bad estimation. They empathize with them. But for me, no come the result of the fact is anything. At the time, I bet our experience there. I'm open property where I lose when the day. I'm over a landlord for people who have tenants have an offense when the and the shop is really bad. The government there will make efforts to solve this situation once and for all because it's element of public pest with strategy and then the economy as well as the reception globally affects me, especially when you're striving hard there. Ghana and the tourism hub of Africa there. I'm a deputy at Africa. Ghana should be the first country here have van with Susuma. Then some of these things depending on dollar quickly because let's say a good picture out there. And when you look at the history there are loans, many hope. Then you could dredge some of these dams we play river, we play property and no one. And also the waste issue. Now government they are banned plastic. I think it's something we should do quickly. Maybe I'm open business here not affected. Yes, I'm open business here. I know at the end of the day. You actually no sure that no innovative. They at least one fall on an alternative to plastic or other producing. And then government should make sure that at least they have the waste management companies ready. They have these will also get it. Why? When you guys of these will not drop, those things were on vantage points. So at least when you go to Accra, you have to tell me Ŋdi Wɔna so much with circle, name already, make that waste beats so that man is so now let no tea alone quickly drop them. Then we have the waste over the country. That can make you turn here men no check what they got that let's mal look at the drop them. LG can never took me after this work. So actually the sanitation waste management and sanitation agency no make sure that at least these beings are points they told him probably so much waste. Actually that is the only way. The everybody will come back the whole river is choked with plastic trash when we talk
no terafma ni ma aga onyaji ga ni ma chonya onyajiga majiga magarmandi ma echipa amadara chipa ngubramanya nyame okra Accra alo Ghana reko echie amadamlo ta ma ajem nyanya emala fiafia paper nyajojo banu nya paper yoko print na new town ben new town Lagos town ye kenya new town fi kenya printing hub le again echi deteva bana jirapo bana paper que you print na graphic ro bana alechima vivia graphic ro dento fi kenya graphic ro na bona ba abuseo kai abubushi lopo mama kata nshang garechima ta newspaper so mudo domo akpo Ewenyigba TV bele funji nya jojo kaka you understand mobile journalism alo mojo mobile journalism on the go where move anenye kaka that's an aside bila shakpa manshi ke nyoto we seem to be very lawless people. Me already me mama amma ibo ahun ibo amma maunu amma mawo sejaro kominye bo bovito lifia o lo fe baraso o ma do community ya oboyo iditi baro onya nyonwo to akabu do kom one do gbogbo maro fi obo mahama police ya o ne do sa taka youth employment ne yi de Beijing tonton Netflix tonton ene dilema ine to na daranga manya fike povito to choko hey pick it neme queen makoko avo handcuff lashino and you are not joking that can minya memanus amamauseji I search my opobo food yare le nyame ikena be no bunyame masemi honorable attitude na change my mama poncho manchi Ayo ire you would have got attitude na nyama daka empipito obe edongro yo gbo la be ngwe fiamo ma ya ko be dongo be yo to fa gbe no ikama le yo so ika but bola nya jojo ma press statement ma dagre ya ma miapo. We are lawless people, but we don't need Muhammad to tell us. Do you understand? Yeah. We are lawless people. Now, ejebe mi auto choma ni yo nya gbonalo na yi something the South Africa me even na gbe amapani nya gako ko ba pikini onya mare fe do ye povito la fma make sure be mare kama ko na ke ko dado povito liza ko ba no na moto ko ajoga ko povito na no traffic mele ho ashie to ga ke amoko no ngi ke jonwo ala be no lamma na adebe ga programa de ali kama fufugere povitonchi afino ba do station na amagana ko yogola o MP ho gana reme regional minister gana reme assembly members gana reme. We are very lawless people. Black man, our problem is big. Look at other newspapers. Let's go to like other newspapers from the sub-region. Let me put on Nigeria, like just a quick one. Paper from other jurisdictions. But about the matrix, right? The matrix on the screen. The matrix. Lagos underwater. Commuters, businesses count losses. LASG calls for calm, says we remain fully on top of the situation. That is Lagos State Government. LASG, Lagos State Government, calls for calm. All right. So Lagos are a chiamodem. Over Lagos kata elechite. Burula dollar yila gbogbo kata over agbaru yire jagbe ke Lagos State Government bo mogachi jo yenyemi ogamela. Please let me hear the paper on the screen, the matrix ke me put the Guardian da honorable kola Nigeria malo the Guardian. Coastal states worry as floods disrupt Lagos economy amid disease fears. Lagos states wary. Coastal states wary, I beg your pardon. Coastal states wary as floods disrupt Lagos economy amid disease fears. The Guardian. Ta Lagos hama napo nono tata vovo kangu amochi ole chime. Lagos kata kangu okmemile walk kumale Lagos. Okay. Nkena me Lagos all research ya. Archbishop Boye da fe yomcho. Be yo popon la yabology be ngo gbelem le kan yakra ngo ponkra wo na jim le Lagos kaka o be Ghana problem a esugbo wo Lagos yo gbo be po gberuro ekonye mia problem gberuro nena ma Archbishop professor Dr. Odafe yo amcho po to Vanguard honorable Vanguard. And I like how the Nigerian media is reporting this issue. Miagbo politicians so Mahama le yamofume ba miabe Mahama ne da fokaba ahiyagbabe oze 500 million the flood control. You see, I'm seeing a difference in what the media is doing. The media is very solidly independent here. But Vanguard, flood sack Lagos underwater again. Flood sack homes, paralyze commuters, commerce. Here came the Vanguard. Nigeria, but there were flood sack homes. That flat sack homes. Flat sack homes. So that's the Vanguard. Okay, two more. Let's look at the Punch. Okay, Punch, yeah. Okay, xenophobia. Nigeria Embassy Park 269 returned as South Africa protest rise. Okay, yeah, xenophobia. Okay, the Daily Sun. Daily Sun. Let's here. Daily Sun. Figure Lagos flood wreaks havoc, commuters stranded, disrupts businesses. Look at that. Look at that. Lagos flood wreaks havoc. Over Lagos that ching blamat malgwe. Kavudolo yilakwe kata umoga pohu. Businesses on her ole stranded. Honorable. But nkari nikpo vigi ekpo vigi okura. Ekpo lo mekuko de. Ekpo amadeya ekpo moto. Moto echiko moto na ovuro moto nchi. Ogbe be dashi moto kasha ko gbogbo e ko gbe moto oje.
The leadership about the container man this within here.
Kiosk.
Chico e the of the dollar mobile make a dollar. Let's say check on the match.
Ekwe overly. Ye no tatawaka le miagbo okwe. Kafra ne kwe after the joke akana le miagbo ta de over e chiakovu. E de ya nchuvi onye. Nchuvi a ele chama elagbe. Ye no bi ame a photo chuma video ma Jesus yo eko amade ha le pila rashi obe neli dobora koko li o ya chiagbe. Egelo alajo fuma echi adamu bugaka roof atam da no le amam kuku akokwe ko zon carpenter weta ko zon le roof atam zingi atawe po carpenter nyale ko zon achichi ke okelora roof metam aba ko mutu ho mia.
Yes, there are issues at the wager. Ever made a brother. So, I do actually, every bring the young Brommy waste management companies or Messi Tapo. Then now the $8, you have a fashion journal, maybe not dog because the waste collection, waste management people are very bad. Because I may have issues, that's why I follow that. And let's say now, there's no one supervising America. Look at America. My area never plan. Trash the sacrament. I'm a garment.
I have a bola coloma.
What happened? I call my with the drink.
I will to call him with one phone call.
Yes.
Contract terminate to with one phone call.
So that is why Africa. The last time I got another, is it Japan or China? No country there. Over one of their ministers also suspended the suspension. There punishment. LCGA. Kakere wako Ghana mobile claim me after drain way. Yes, come out direct to Paduga, the double. America hold America accountable. They say the government, allo state, land never account la. Community demonstration of people. Me for me half of the American member course na me. Over bad dredge, and I'm me sign contract with waste management companies way. It's your job, one supervisor, one Kakao told another hall, Dala no le move at the end of the day, the Norway managing a guy out him I call develop me after Japan. Then the government call it the new items they provide. Meanwhile, some of them will talk about is avoidable. I believe the president agree. But some of them are avoidable. Can I get me if you take a million of a chair gave us to back? Can you look about no like triple of this? Can you look at it? Let's say the consistency for 3 days. A chair is a chassis. Allo de que half of Ghana no me
Aulo. Me ame greta tabe ko to dia forget.
I the half. I follow the story. What one of those boys after the Jebas going to do church everyone every day because of the so I know that is it. But aside the flood issue, the good one in the government and then you have effective area, you have a full price.
Many are going to cheap policy and when any media for price. No. Please, please. Many for price for your African politicians so they. Ni agbomile iya onelelo ni agbomile like yamwana bi dekna mo serious amo kuwa mo to check to comment so abanza e be about policies
wonya
emi
abeteleji
Star oil CEO bomo ga je petrol ala be chiva kaka gere yo pe bed meka e chive chaka ebe ne me hia na o senyalo na ami me hia no te pa me hia na ya mega chami ara e chigere yo pe bed you understand so we are in a crisis situation
in the midst of the crisis situation because me le kuza e me gbo fi me example government aka reduce fuel price na aka na be aka save the gavide or alo aka na be ni aka for fuel gbogbo which is a good one because over the period in the public government eke ko one of fuel reduce ano wasigbela in the public
after 60 cd abo e va 50 60 onye le mi what are you talking about
the economy
honorable after me abasiji after over 50 cd say mega auto shoga
the fuel price government has no water at the end of the day the various transport owners were always with government and make sure that you check and reflect then after na you do prepare America sina eto na America because we regulating and government never then after the government and make sure that you reduce allow it topic wa another no matter idea the only thing about me I make it touch last year me another you come and do what feel impacted because government American pricing control
onya blanco come me back for cheap politics
yes and because you didn't make those stations no worry in the midst of Russia Ukraine war in the midst still Strait of Hormuz close down fuel prices is coming down if you are the real manager
Strait of Hormuz otua
agreement on the Israel can attack you know look at it better I think they can and look the chemical in you. So in the midst of that, Chokomika said just within this week over Ukraine they can launch missiles drone the Russia over oil refinery there in one of the cities there who can launch it. So it's in the midst of Russia-Ukraine war.
Ukraine got in
the midst of that, in the midst of Strait of Amos and along the economy,
topic man a chova
the government is doing well. Aside that, the government is a budget, so that is fine. So let me can move from there. The last nuclear fire service on all of Bobo, as we speak, they don't have a boat. Along though you are that it's flooding. The whole Jolella you perfect. I only urge though, if there's any way government will raise a gather and make sure that they are to the Ghana National Fire Service. You want to because flood LG and local LNB, like what Dofima as well. They don't rely on the military, police, or no corporate boat to offer a fire service. If there's any way government has to acquire ambulance man, allow the helicopter man, hey, atochi even a job, fine, even the flood job, helicopter, then they go a drop it, and they told the flood, and it's low. When I drop only whoever helicopter and cover that is safe for me. I think that this event when they Jordan can be a system Meles Boston. To me, another government have prioritized. I have fair idea of how we have a response, emergency response systems will going forward in the at least for we to with regard to the National Fire Service. Equipment to another one
yeah, I'm a body, Kafla, I'm a bo, kakata. Mo Bomolefia, Jangba, Chamurama, Yoba Chroma Lusho, or Chroma Plagonofia, Pia do kwa akoma amaroko akoma kwa acho ene japo monument ole mi ashafia stadium nkao umotu ukatara kuzo even library anya chia jan church jabu kaka hogra library ya library ya chia kaka decor library for yoma that kaka. You see, so I don't seem to trust you guys. I don't seem to trust you guys. I can never follow for gashite mako but that's it you me a jodola me ko prenya chiplaga nya double business share. Messages on over 0242670773 0242670773. Number trova a cheaper madanya okum ole nyabo nyacha me ponto ma ko gali ka nya atule banya mamra mabona.
No silence ever English dictionary. Nya tepa. But see dictionary akara ka so afi e passe ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language. Nenya make manya be view. E be a strong be praha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know ha. I'm a make nenya be view module po. And be a strong be ha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Yala dile ko so mad na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can I call screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the kana WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary. Akwa koveno akpe. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyon to.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Teaches. Afi enye nyongo kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne ina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emie le nyema. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go, Kaka to Boye. Tanya too much toy. Upon your worms, killer.
Oh,
the number for fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, not to go.
that another Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to Boye. But the husband didn't know fear. koko ina duna fa gare wonye ya nya pa no pasi bani ko hi wontam nya no fura mu a bola pasi ko nya ko katara gbe
bo bueno chico
vai batakalo sugo itabika dada sikramon tonto vola pati ke wa busielo weto fira
Oyire vola to gbo. Ye mo no chika ko mo pon jeje.
Vola chika no ple. Na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo. Mashama nazi.
Miapa toto wala toto fita. Itanye za vola chika. Miato matoro ha. Woza vola chika fufu jijila ama.
This vola piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna yura vola to. Onaula masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pama le akblawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apo le old fashion le akwe kala hwahwe a gada woji le agodoma Yellow House Street wo jango local restaurant atututu opa dopo le hudi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
vola
Nina nemi ayi vola eba senta afima mi apoto yo la nyadeba vola efi valo aklori le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite paraka ofuto makata mele to wonu de wa eti maklo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima apoto wotu akame wa puto wofuka ome wofuka matutu dokata vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva apoto come on vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hofo
Yo mi afon kpola Ewenyigba TV Ŋdi Wɔna nyajim enye Tony Magbo ele tadana egbato ke kple elik chomabo ye nyawo mejom ya vechi fo ngbegble kple chifa nyawo son kokpo memelera akpol mi oti bi oji mi afon to ma fi ha lem ngo gbegble mi afon to ma safton ohi ema ta mi kpo ni oka jimla to ma fuma hara mi afon to ma fi kata echi nglan ke mi kupura na jiwa ba no over albo chupata albo nyapotane nyapa kuhia wazu bavasa sagade lejijine amo ni da kuku na jiwa pa mi da kuku na jiwa pa no operemianchi albo nyapotane ngbegle yo Mia Apple that soft song I should think that soft song I should think and more soft song in soka kopo lapo the chibla mula afma ye makpom la dali mi apeti yoji da mi vitraje ple la afmare vitraje kople Maxwell Lukuto over area almost so me here na Europa moba wa agbala kama suba Europa mo na agbala alawe oputane uhe okawa klamachi donani le miapa ntoma. All right, message is over me kanu message za khlam jeka manyawe audio 0242670773 in your number I can attend as I go check out them 0242670773 in your number because I'm more little the gum there come up with. All right, Machlin, your message to Carvaro. Machlin message to Carvaro Kapakawa. I will not get it in your mammy. Okay, Major long message are Niduram Emmanuel Kusogbo. I agree with Honorable Elikem Chome. We human beings blocked waterways. The question is that who gave permit before they build on the waterways? So let's do the right thing to avoid flooding, and it will help government to focus on what's needful. If somebody builds on waterways, the president must demolish houses in waterways. Emmanuel Kusogbo. All right. So that is a message from Emmanuel Kusogbo. Thank you for your message. Hey, flooding issues is not easy at all. We, our leaders, should open Zizan. They should open Zizan. All right. Thank you for your message. Good morning. Good morning, Brother Tony Richard Ahiagba. He didn't tell the truth. When MPP ruled this country for 8 years, all things were high in the country. Prices of fuel, bowl cost 20 cedis. So what is it talking about? So tell the truth to the people of Ghana so that they can trust you at the time of election. All right, that's that. Our message Mabandogo is concerning Emmanuel Hiabakwe Nyargboma, but use 500 million Ghana cedi there, fighting of flooding. All right, me either John Joe Trafalgar, but John from Trafalgar, I don't message them about Bendina me Ewenyigba TV. You did do well. Keep informing us, John from Trafalgar. Thank you for message. Many of you have a dark banam. Me person to Trafalgar. Going John. Me interpom na body conto. Message bantu urura over pidoko mekatatu horror cheaper moto ko simple as that. All right, esinam la bankwe mi ankosem. Good morning, Tony. This matter touched my heart. Volta region 2, they suffer. Esinam from Bankwe. Okay, Esinam manya gere ko chang blamro. Ko agbakata we devote agbapon the guys less like a flat show. Equals earlier Mikbo reporter to recover to me assembly. But uno a hoarded tomb there. No bridge on your tumole. The bridge is under construction, and that bridge don't made. Can you imagine? Assembly Glenchimo, so that's it. Floodwater submerged Honjo Aviepe Bridge project. That is something we looked at. Our number Maima ye Esinam do message yara Honjo Bridge here Fresh Bridge. Baya Echikake. I'm going to know people you don't you have when buy on your Molalong batch on you. I look go so we'll look at that. Okay, Fukuma do message them. Fukuma do message. But Tony, I admire your courage, but you don't fear to ask hard questions. God bless you. Fukuma do message, madam. Fukuma Saramian call yellow bent total. So all right. Pat do message now. We are watching live from Fudome. The rain has destroyed everything here. Omoye I don't show Fudome. Koina the talkway. Omo mamango. Echi. Ubechi Clermont Kakango. The area ma. So Chuchumaro miago. Cost 90. Big push cost 90. The other never much mafia. But now much mafia. I want to Maryland. Okay, fine. To Trafalgar, Bakoina, you have so called the Joinara in our Pomojira. Now, Punto Mojesha, Echia, Mojesha, you know what, Kojak Moji, Millennium, sound that. Let me have to share, may have to share, which I learned on to buy another proposals all of them. Some you are release you are a construction man. Magoja Crunchy More, Omonia, Chijana, June and July. Mimena, big push out launch. Last year, launch big push. Oh, Mark message la. Mark message. Baba go Jack Crunchy Momonia Bedi, Chijana, June and July. I feel to Garamo, overlook a Koramoji, Chivalo, Kabako, Koramo. But Babanami the food domain. All right, Mike from Dome Ewafiaro. But Tony McBoy, you did talk truth. The drainage system in Accra be nonsense. What do you mean by that? Masaba Dr. Ayeni Akuritinga Ayeni ba bagro Marakamanga Shashi Jura Roma. No one should blame the government. I can't Shashi Jura Roma Chia blame like many policies in it is an act from God. In a Shakamanchi Muntaka, Minister of Interior, have a Chiaja from 1995. A Chivaga Chanama Pogano. Record time 1995 to date, a Chalago with Uncle Brother. A little drainage, I got a go for Mali. No, they've got a Gakarabu doing a gra, a Chamura because a Chalago. That may have got that, and there's no amount of drain that can solve this problem. Hey, politicians. A Chijajam Chojifo, a Charo Jajam, a Turam who Kakaka Sadovunke. Tanechak put the person to Jong Irachafuma, still a Javaga. O Boname Hika Bogonia, which are Tradichim, Alaka Boname, the world is a globe, which are Direcchim. Danechi echimata tracho ball nchia yeto. Oh, honorable for nyatana mi anyabubo.
Yo, akpeta emeko egake nchenuku edit my understanding bidebe who did we like the odola no weka ko gere chigan me. Ai kaka.
Kaka achafumala.
Achafume. Tane he ume block you. O dredge new area. You know, was very a chicken of the la card, to mobile like a chidon area, Metila, Opomo, out of a money car, or Domi, about getting a qua, a poetry. I'm sure that is the idea. We have a dog with slooper, nature, but we can have a getting. Tano Bagerema, a poetry. Now a small boy, Obroki, I moved to correct my brother, no matter what I get him on. I can hear who about getting a chela. Eddie, Prenuk Yos Borome, Tamato Chacha, Adu, Tanuagba, Tanubala, Kobo. That statement I didn't want to hear because at the end of the day, Abba Meho at your bag, Acha, get a chafuman. I didn't want me a fact.
I never Minister Yamabro. No, Yamabalance were there. A chair Chacha, another camera block you. Another block you. Yeah, I do. So that is it. I think the best time then I make sure that I'm more of a dobat. Never and it's me encouraging, but not Joloka for coming shower to expect. In planning, there are multiple. I'm not going to do my Zanetoreka from maturity. Zaneto, Dr. Zaneto, I go remember flooding. There are multiple factors accounting for the flooding. Perfect. I'm not sure about my school doctor. I'm not going to track President Fiaro attitude. What do you mean by attitude?
No, and the attitude.
What is attitude?
No, the attitude.
No, that's not the only problem.
So it's one of them.
There are so many factors, and we must have a joint approach. So for Kosabobo, Najoka Capo, Fiao, in Bajamlo, and number a cell that a fear. Navabo, Mekanibano. Ever from my Tommy, come away to America, Galishi, that Pepiloga Core, the part out to her duty. Abofu, Atimota, Abofu and Bola Junior. Fia flooding Alefia, Abofu, new Atimota station, but Bola, Choka at the school, Jedoko, Bola G, shortcut to man of traffic dodging. I'm a estate developer. But look, a Bola G. You go see who you see. So, as your I think near to assembly her a hotum, make power ungo stop work, allow remove. All the Maryland here. Over remove low, Gaka ayo na fia yoge ayo sofo ayo MP oba po ado mekinya ado oyo fia ha jongdo ajala ashine fia oba ado engineer go blombe fia etobami ado mzinku ado bona yege boss meba ya if ya chiba gera ko monovo to be jiuna ba naiga chiba gera ko let you over aba mnobe efufu no gba yo ba de kuku na enfojo enmrobe ora bofonya tan
yo I think and me club no come edge the various municipalities so they actually sit up no wa pedo no go be the waste collection edge you the various municipalities so no jaba gba no wo to be at least them the amount to attitude actually nya talk is me awo they want change your attitude they want change anyway because I'm never sign up for waste collection on your mouth I'm your man of a very good story ya anyeche ya kweka aka lo nugere aba eche efe yes ni do menu akeba ji tepere ba tera en ma ba choku ya fe do so egenka sala bijo ya mi kamba ya mi la me ami o flame ni mo ya che e wo to sunu ohia be the ameke hinye has supervise make sure be wa wo pe to ya che mele to yes all the hen now say now you are not doing it you are just sitting there like VH so yeah you are okay you don't care ya hold jolly make our believe so aside then and back no change over attitude la various agencies were municipalities so I'm going to actually make sure that you check your open door I cannot open door you can open the door ya la mere ya believe what I do yourself so I think that is it everybody down to me don't trust the position then or that you make sure you give out your best then you have a measurement and permit the water will make up organ and name a total I'm over to me approach. There's one time, you know, around total opposite. No, the police got a total opposite. If my Echija, Agba, or Tama, my getting up from the day is because I'm moved to home. A block waterway. Tanachi about Gofma, a flomo, a Hakako flomo, when get up from the day. I think, yeah, it's happening. LG, the federal 2 hours in the federal. I'm feeling what the feeling the government what happens. I think that because we don't sit up. Imagine the side of government blame government just have the MC the various people in the municipalities we don't make sure we don't represent no one does. But what's happening? Some are just only the collective they are not doing anything. So yeah, we don't make sure we know at the end of the day Ghana me have to ever in Utah in time. Me am the kind that they interested though. I had government to me to national service because some of these events hold you are probably as a resource. So the edge government there were the look at me Bobo CI to the Vulcan you out for the until it's fire actually until it's issues like this are actual tolerated and over situation and a bad video. The current they arrest you and touch everybody and make. They are not the fire service personnel, they are not the arrest you actually arrested and Cheviani. Now, the arrest you over the boat. What that for me. This things were always supposed to
that both mel America ina kafla o la fishermen o de alo boat ma
to my
lo ma ke beach o de na mi bojo beach a boat o la fun ta yo joro ko je ko afu ko ba lo mo a high boat mo kwa za Echidamu la weja fogata chidamu bojo beachly I say a graphic growth from there for either coast ekpo chofuma kolebu egara chapuma that boat visual motion nyani ma gogbo se bo ra boat ne it's okay yeah boat ne with the boat rechiche na la boat charge even if you are not rowing the boat, you are safe.
Oh yes, sure.
You understand? No, not the boat. I don't get back. The Chichiko, the Vinya Darema, the mark on floating unless none about movie.
Yeah,
so over boat, you know, if you go about the boat in the national service and fire service, that would cover. Don't go there. Please use what you have. There are beaches, go to my other lake here. So how many minutes does it take you to just lift some of these things?
No, but after the talking disaster prone and flooding, first one make sure that please. Maybe
fire service MTT of my Katamanto of my both now no so open that.
Oh, I know what the
politician.
The belly was there, the kind of food to us. After door, I'm
politician will drink.
Not very good to
and over here, 1995, Mega Japo. So from 1995 to Egba, near Mega Japo, Daniel broke the boat that in 1995. Look about to take to America.
Similarly, no, they say
them because fisher folk, beaches, because many are beaches, so many boto beaches, boto lodges, Zanko in Achapuji, beaches, not a joint effort, concerted effort. Because Kafla boto police maybe it's nothing special. Ghana Police Service for more. I wonder where they are. I wish I were a journalist in Accra. Like my investigation, opaque boat model, police headquarters, those were just normal Accra Azam.
Then I can believe to talk over there. If you go, fine.
No police
no penetration, so then the last better. Everyone had all every many inches no less start go. Tanako left my warehouse, left my but to go directly to. O company can work or do. I'm making a service. Many other Amidolina.
But very much.
Yeah, many other Amidolina to about Mokule that directly for a more than a purple. That is all. Then I'm not talking that I'm going to go there. Chota. Man, go. No, they need to pay.
Miato. Young Bola.
Climate change elegy.
Miapa Puma, many Tomonio. Nemio, Betoyo, Beto, Ravi Boa, or you become Yamatuho. Ye, who rent a homonchi, but better a cook, a tomula poma. Let us be blabbered. The axe is linked to the root.
Yeah.
The axe is linked to the root. Nelle te fare. Ye bereka. Ako mubona omolo ya koro. Afina do wajukwa. Mejebe na no te poma fio. Mawira mele. Ibi again a tolege. Adingote meliwa. GBC Mountain meliwa. Sesame to meliwa. Abukubi to meliwa. You understand? Makati hiyo meliwa. Botiano, a Tomarafma, a Shoma, a Tomelia, Quabenato, Brekusu Mountain Somalia, Afi, Balimelia. Okay, nothing me to hold a fee, catching to Toga.
And no probably, I'm not also going to replicate here to the camera carabat to replicate here to what?
One of the things, you know, maybe discussing, you know, and one will come for social media. People a chivagara marapapo. I'm a tell them by Yachimale Papum. Tarako because a chucho, Oguya, Boye, which I will have at the time. Yeah, it's here. That we got to wrap up. I don't know. I don't know.
It's connected back to it. That's what I want to back. We can check out the gas. I don't want to back.
Bank of Ghana Tomaga Pongota, Siama Pongchob, Elemobe, Egbala Ogba, Ami Pashi Adi Vega, Commissioner, a Mokata Farafmo, a dollar yongo, Tamigano, Kafla, Konikoni Don Yaruki, Mopashi Badi, Dodu, Dolangona, Cry, or you at the Pomanyakbo. Nyama enyanyare ike dogocho elemo bogo glombe amio tadidi egba kaka that is not conclusive. It means glombe emo galiza loke nekukene dana because just 2 minutes we won't talk to nyamale rojoshi ota
so akpede efe statement matter yes ninya be o ami ame anye me shadow enu bo kali he Ghana to. Yes, the fact that I'm here, fine. Yeah, we are happy. We are okay there. And the price are Ghana touch our for the fleet away. Kaka aside and other things only. Here, government attention. We are talking about unemployment fleet away. Like a government, our employer more. They are more or actual for another. Infrastructure projects only. There are a lot of issues. I'm more teachers who are public servants over compensation issues only. Anyhow, yes, only. In the global fuel and global, I can be sure the government it's a little government and we can hold it on the dollar. Really sure they have the interest of Ghanaians attached. And after the first focus, you are make sure that you are stabilize the economy. Because when you stabilize the economy, and other businesses will thrive, and other investors will have economy and revenue because they are able to predict the economic activities around the system. They are able to predict and take decisive action. That for us, the government therefore whatever, but there are a lot which the government is doing. Can we move from the fuel? There are other sectors where we have to do with unemployment. The government level, at least if they started something, hopefully we should be seeing more recruitment activities and employment activities. Why? So Agbojano global, if a sector look at the declaration, you're looking about 1,000 people to fill vacancies with. And make sure the similar ministries were put out there. I have to have vacancies over the at all at least I'm going to work in there. The next focus is how government has to raise the necessary revenue put or employer mobile at work for an hour. And then the infrastructure project, the schools, and then we have remove this double track system. Like the schools, so learning to school, okay, there. At all absorb the number of students and those school people workforce there, schools moment. Yes, infrastructure, not all projects, only yes, two projects. I mean, every municipality, every district play to more and government is equally looking at that. Other government have policies where they which is anyone that. And the Bank of Ghana is calling in the right direction, though yes, the fact that fuel price here in the midst of the state of Amos, Russia Ukraine work in our NDC in a as the enemy that allow me to feel Ghana door. You are the two at least LG probably have a fuel price. The government was to exchange rate because next year return is so high, even though the fuel price are difficult because dollar LG are as economy even the world market are because the government says that about dollar exchange rate dollar rate because we probably have economy we rely on a lot of import Indian forest. Yes, government was and therefore since last year, let me take over there's stability in our exchange rates. So we are able to predict and do all that, which I think is really good for our economy. Then the economic management team now, which is led by Vice President Jenana Obukwajima. I'm sure the government is doing so well. The only thing the other ones were him earlier, so that the Ghana to our COVID delay. Hello, yes, that I can know maybe yes, you that community to have your interest at
Yo, me pon pola ba Ŋdi TV Morning Show enya jin Tony McBoy nya plom nya ma ko to fe kala bonye afi mi nya mo jonye alikem chomo yo ma to ko josia ya America to come e cho ke ba ya English of landmark ruling after to chalo nya mo to gan tranya re bubu America ka cho ke ba yi e kami la nya no vino viola ma ko yi ma ka jwe ne honro ma le Ghana fia alors paro le Ghana fia promoteur carré l'América koko.
Yeah, sure.
Et que America koko la Donald J. Trump Roger Sivelia. Eva dashi berarete America ta uji de America ne betado comme view wo manye America view. Awo fota se que to commercia ero kwaji hamre dema. Na onya jura America kwa America towe trambe bere ya imalona betatu kome view ameo kacho so ameo kacho duko kurio me beto yokowa ayadun la America ya ejibo kataro troyo de tatu baji Mexicans amokata na nyanye immigrant alona ya to betatu koro me na ba fuji biye to komama view at Mexico, at Ghana, at Liberia, at Nigeria, much America. Also, Yamaha, all the Majivu, at by Supreme Court has ruled by Mark Ike America Taika Uchi to Komamako, they are Americans. And it's a victory for immigrants, disgrace for Trump. Honorable.
Yeah, so. Akpede enyamata. Yes, even though one landmark ruling, in fact, the president Amos Yala, Ejefu, maybe probably interference with the Mexico. Hello, yes, and the probably American study. The cop look at all about to America, and then most of them. And we are policy who benefit today. Now, Matoncho get a Kuando, the no, for me, it's a good one. The other aspect is the football, the Tassidaji, we are in the bed. We have African. You could have Ghana, especially the political appointees one. But you also know the GLF. Yes.
I just have one over America.
Not only Africa, but most political elite. That is a single one. Only also never developed US citizens. No fear better now. Yeah, alumni health system. That in the world, you have a health system. Yeah, so much. If you have a US US, then your US, you're US citizen. Can you imagine Ghana? Imagine Ghana. So why? The family I'm going to call the Boye. Hello, maybe that. So, I hope just be there. And after me, I'm going to do is good. I can't. I'm going to put them in the new.
I don't know, Manamlo. That if you ever America, breaking news. Donald Trump loses Supreme Court fight to end birthright citizenship. Big deal. And Polo pitch out that man. Just a position. Long parallel, net do corner. You can Gano, she want the picture. It should be America. But we have unfortunate juxtaposition. Hello, derisive juxtaposition. Have you ever open? Nenya fiare like camera or woto who America jawonye but akpo journalist kata picture yoke you know all these things could be edited. After the light me marry but you see all the media houses will just be disgracing yeah. Trump loses
so for this dinner that's how the best right system is cheaper. Yeah,
graphy more activity. Do Fafambe Ghana view your garage in Aviama. Open viewers in America, so ye down of Virginia Maro. I'd rather have Chiara Maro.
That's right, a better right citizenship here. That's the US. Let to comment. Fact, what you will have been you may be a new. Account you will US by birthright and a citizen. So benefit the share the air with the no accord with 1 hour as a US citizen.
Down Ghana, Toka, you are Zoom. I'm a down over to politicians, so I'm a Poto Sofia. The Potosu, the Podem was from Fufiaco. Gabo, Tafaka Mano, Yusufamino, Danama Joe, Domlada, Fuma, go to America, Joe, Yapako, Dame.
The Himalayas of America.
Last one as America, I wanna. Somebody of you.
They are Trump, then you have to stop. You also to double the system. Oh, I'm more for work with over. Give me about American citizens. Give me benefit the Shadela. Yes, boy. They are to stop because for over 150 years, policy anyway, and only a more abuse, especially from the underdeveloped countries from Africa, Mexico, India, and the rest. Singapore will be stopped because of the all the system is tricky. Rather than on B1B2 ever or Divico by being a particular citizen. Yeah, do you have stopped? But all the GC, but the other type of work, the research in most elite political look ya okuri ba no ma ta ya che no office facilities we be o so no jiji defini no make an cover be ho feel be facility e menyu ni no fix ne me be no that right chase no fix no so no jiji defini ko be wa le yo le US wa ba le jiji with the pretense there your system la facilities so menyu yo so na jiji ni wa facilities o mi anto no allow me nya the that right sick yo le I think to yes, I can go. I can open the door for a no village.
What is your problem? Nany strategy done a viewers in America view. Ye, like when the photo super domler pass to America v. Ye, da echo, a tomatia, Amaroha, Oga two, Fiagama, but the school. But no one of Yano Yadma, Ronaldo Blangman.
I put us to the last one years of America, Japan,
Kennedy had a yard, so we were proof. Yeah, when you had a Zabona post, we had a man or macho voter my sports journalist. Yebo, Barato fool, support at the Kappa, a man who make no mountain.
Yes, I'm not a back. I can don't develop open facilities. Those are not
not get away. And when you're ready, America, the Miakatai to America. As I go, I'm a pro to Sierra Leone, Liberia, Ecuador. America is for everybody, so we go to jail. As the Hakule, I'm also America, for football popular, a Brazilian, he kept to call as mate Gora, I'm maybe hard, I don't, Madaraka.
Oh, yeah, that's for one Capella, even Canada. That's for Canada squad there. I'm saying about 90%.
And Africa is a free world because we are talking about to.
I'm saying about 90%. Why are you scared of the preparation? Maybe your football team but you are scared of preparation.
And so we go to jail.
We were maybe at this at any bar looking at the process. You are bounce with Kaka. Yeah, though. I was looking at it. And for maybe the Canada team, 90% blacks. Look at the France team.
Yeah. Oh yes. About there are 7 blacks in that.
Yeah, more, even more than 7.
Can I think Japanese song?
Hey, so maybe it depends. Then probably slavery.
Slavery, yeah. They have colonized now. And where we China, that whole Mongolian kingdom, enslaved. But I do not know Mandarin, I do not know language. That's one. And none of it is alien to them. That over Japanese, you can word the song Japanese and over coach Pigeon bag response model. Over coach language Madono.
What you don't say?
Near Boma Mamma Sabo. That now may bo country by Ghana, me Ubado, British has a Ubago. Alright, honorable. That a war near Geji Joe, Yami Bear, Trump Bumpa, war Chewer, Bajabon Ramo. Okay, and Yamikona. Alright, Miapo Pola, you chatted me and she might never honorable Napo, Yatanamico, Nimaka message book by the Fio. 0242670773 and your number I can give even after the program. Next year, La Maria Fiare, Echidama, the more which Maseta, but Ruffle for Tanaba Moya Catabo, you do in area to food to Mamata, Zero. It's a way now, Jojo. We now, Jojo. But Diamond, you had a meet with me, Diamond, Ojo, Bridge, and she did that bridge at the off when that basic. If you put more Jafia, oh no more $1 bridge, I won't cover that role of my. Finish everything.
There is a bridge under construction. Maybe probably the journalist to me. And that be more details on that. Look, my question you have you Polava over here. I can go to Cheleto throughout the 2 Beka. Come get the weekend. I check a different. Lamia make it all in a multiplayer Abu Meklitoa. I give any I don't go and so let me have a talk to hold a gata out to Plitoa. That is a cry to take you among cocky or Plito that a gata to Plito. But yeah, I taxi had a cop, a cardboard. That means it's a coco enemy, no book. Look, you have any idea a crab, you have no. Me have a whole see how at least who are the Pedoya and the little keeper. That is a boy. Hey, check I want to check one. Aside that, I'm a similar Benado. As promised by government, and Kuma look at all, they will leave items of a I'll make sure that I am your topo, Makabaza, Amenana, Nukedeke, are not selective. Takenya have data of a mayor a flag, allo, a chidodo at the Funawe, there are benefits to Ayami. And Maka caution with Flavia Hator, a lot of companies were one of our solutions were Twitter. The minister, I not careful there, Umaba sign contract in the haste with any agency, a low company, at the end of the day, Umaba, yeah, Minister Antola, the head of Patapeliva, Yabano radio, TV, Abano, Etifed, Alumabano Butum, our in the Disibo. No steady, no new. And make sure when the Sadeki, about the Sadeki, what in this desperate situation, and more to allow desperate and a solution to quickly. and I'm they propose alternatives. The offer, whoever they push, any are very careful and the sure any side contract outside many lady had the Ghana Georgia near Chontra. And America, DNI, I want a demonstration. I want to invite the no release America because the no conditions so super.
Honorable, Medapono Faith, Fulamo, the message on to Facebook. You're not but do not shy. No, that faith, Madupanandia. Bless Jochu, Miaponto, Aplau, you do among Duancobata, Yakra, young direct, Madapone, man of Mary, Yanko Central Denta, all that, Medapono. Each churchman says, Tony McBoy from me, a battle, Honorable Madapon, Vagapo, Wana, Lady, and bye bye.
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Nane mano monsieur, eye na me soile.